Welcome! In front of me is LENOVO IdeaPad Slim 5, and in this video I will show you how to enable OneDrive Backup on this laptop. To do that, tap on the Start button, go to Settings. In Settings, select Accounts section, scroll down to Windows Backup, open this tab, and then to set up OneDrive folder syncing, click Setup Syncing next to this option. Once you click Setup Syncing, you'll have to enter your email address. It is auto-filled with the email address of the Microsoft account that I'm using on this PC. Once you click Continue, you'll be able to create a OneDrive folder. Click Next, and now you can choose which folders you want to sync. And when you want to sync your folders, click Start Backup. Click Not Now if you don't want to upgrade. And right here you can see your OneDrive folder with all the files that are backed up. Right now it says that the OneDrive is not syncing, but let's close this window, then open the settings once again, go to Accounts, go to Windows Backup, and as you can see, OneDrive folders are now, your files are now syncing with your OneDrive folder. You can click Manage Sync Settings and select if you want to disable some folders from backing up by switching the toggle to the left and pressing Stop Backup. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.